Hey guys, my name is Kirby Kwan Jr. back for Crunch TV at Fan Expo 2021 Limited Edition here in Toronto, Ontario. And joining us today, we have the ultimate badass from Mortal Kombat, Kwan himself. So tell us, man, how you enjoying the convention so far?
So far, it's been rather great, and and hoping for everyone else to be safe, right, and healthy, and this god awful pandemic.
Yeah, we're all sick of that.
Yeah,
even me as Batman, sick of that. Bruce Wang, yes.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
It's all good. So tell us, how does it feel to finally be back at conventions? It's been 2 years gone, and then now we're finally back, seeing everybody out here. How does that make you feel?
It's been a long time coming, and we have not even scratched the surface in 4 years.
Yeah.
It kind of feels like, mentally speaking. But other than that, though, yeah, it's been like a roller coaster ride for everyone else. So it's not just me, but for everyone else.
Yeah, that's true. So on a brighter note, let's talk about your costume. It looks dope. Did you make it? Did you buy it?
So I kind of bought it online. It was actually not the perfect costume, but I thank God that package actually came into my doorstep. So this week. So
tell us, what do you think is your the biggest piece of advice you give to newcomers to the cosplay scene and the convention goers?
My advice is just stay strong, everyone, and meditate, as well as me included. So no matter what, how much we have so much stress in our lives, we can always pull through no matter what cost is for this year's pandemic. But other than that, stay safe and stay healthy no matter what.